It's my 93 Typhoon. And I'm going to clay bar it today. I don't know if you can. It really needs it. Probably hasn't been clay barred ever. It's 25 years old. I like to wash some sections. Top. Windows. And one middle section. Lower cladding. Wheels. We're gonna do the mother's clay bar. Like I said, it's been about, well, it's a 25-year-old vehicle, never been clay barred. And this spot in particular is very, very cruddy. And then it's gritty and it doesn't feel smooth. So get it wet with detail spray. Take it and go in straight line. It's getting a little dirty. I don't know if this will help with it or not. What that spot is not coming out. Oh yeah, it's already feeling better. I hear that compared to that. Oh yeah. Truck's a little bit more dry now, and that's way smoother than what it was. Still needs a little bit of work. Like there's a spot there. You can actually see it or not. Over here, it's nice and smooth. A little bit right here. Needs a little bit more work. Not bad after 25 years, I guess, of not ever being clay barred. So